Oppo is launching the Reno13 and Reno13 Pro next week, on November 25th. A recent rumor claimed both would be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8300 SoC, and now that's been confirmed through Geekbench runs done by prototypes of both upcoming smartphones. The Reno13 has the model number PKM110, and the prototype running Geekbench 6.2 had 12 GB of RAM and Android 15 on board, with ColorOS 15 on top, no doubt. The Reno13 Pro allegedly has the model number PKK110, and the prototype that ran Geekbench had 16 GB of RAM and ran Android 15. More memory options might be offered, of course. Interestingly, a tipster over on X claims that Oppo could market the Reno13 family's chipset as Dimensity 8350, with some minor tweaks compared to the 8300, undoubtedly in a bid to differentiate these devices from every other smartphone that's powered by the 8300. Other smartphone makers do similar things by adding stuff like Ultra or Pro to the name of an SoC, trying to insinuate some big difference that never ends up being confirmed in actual benchmarks or real-life testing.